Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to minimize and maximize your application with shortcut keys in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your application. Then you have to press on your keyboard Windows plus lower arrow. This is how you can minimize your application easily with your shortcut key. Now if you want to maximize your application, then press on your keyboard Windows plus upper arrow. So this is how you can maximize your application easily. So guys, you can maximize and minimize your application easily by using your shortcut keyboard. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.